lifestyle in Indonesia. Mostly people using plastic for shopping bag or packaging something like food or something like pot or anything. So, but plastic it's take 50 till 1,000 years for it fully degradable. So it can damage our environment and living thing inside. Mostly people using plastic for once and then throw it away. So it's gonna make amount of plastic waste.
As use of plastic increase, this is also make plastic waste increase. This is also a result of people's habit who throw the use of plastics even though they only use it once. The incremental of use of plastics make plastic waste increase significantly. This is also make plastic waste come overwhelming from housing compared to dumping from industries.
One of the solutions that we offer for the problem is replacing conventional plastics with biodegradable plastics. The main component of biodegradable plastics is cassava starch. By using cassava starch to make biodegradable plastics, we can lessen, if not totally eliminate, our global concern. Indonesia, as one of the tropical countries, has many advantages in developing this innovation. As cassava is one of the major starch sources in tropical regions. As a result, it will be very easy to find cassava starch as a raw materials to develop these biodegradable plastics. And also, it will be relatively cheap.
Cassava plastic has many advantages. It can reduce carbon dioxide emission. It takes only 0.8 metric tons of carbon dioxide to create bioplastic, which is 3.2 metric tons less than normal plastic. Cassava plastic is also cheaper. Bioplastics are cheaper than normal plastic, especially with the soaring oil prices. Cassava plastic waste don't generate as much toxic runoff. Another advantage is oil-based plastic need fossil fuels, while bioplastics don't. Cassava plastic has multiple end-of-life points. Variable raw material can be recycled and reclaimed into other products.
Despite of the advantages, cassava plastic also had disadvantages. Compostability of cassava plastic. In Taiwan, they have industrial composters that are required to compost bioplastics, but several countries do not have such device, which means all those bioplastic containers that the food comes in at the supermarket just ends up in landfill anyway. It needs the high intensity of industrial composters. Recycling of plastic could become impossible if someone decides to throw their cassava plastic in the recycle bin, which they shouldn't if they live in several countries, and it somehow ends up in a recycling stream. It will mess up the recycling process, and the materials that are meant to be recycled become unstable, brittle, and useless. Area not set up for cassava plastic. Most developed countries in the world have recycling depots, but hardly any at all have industrial composters. But still, cassava plastic is safer and better for our environment.
Excessive use of plastic can damage environment, make plastic waste. There is a solution to replace plastic with a biodegradable plastic from cassava that can be easily found, cheaper and more friendly, but it has some disadvantage too, such as some places doesn't have industrial composters to compost a bioplastic, and it will become a problem too. I've been